How's it going, everybody? This is Ryan from Tweak My Device. I want to talk to you in this video about setting up and syncing with a Google account. If you're going to have a smartphone or a tablet or really any other mobile device, it's ideal to have all of your information in one place, right? So you don't have to look in 5 different saved locations with different usernames and passwords. That's where Google really makes it simple for you. In this video, we're going to cover signing up for an account, importing or creating your contacts, importing existing email accounts, using GTasks for your task sync, using the Google Calendar, and setting up all of this to sync on your mobile device. The first thing you want to do is browse to google.com and click Sign In. Sign up for a new Google account and simply follow the on-screen instructions to choose a username, a password, and complete the sign up process. So once you've signed in, you will be presented to your Gmail. This is, of course, your main inbox. If you hover over this area, you have the ability to create and manage your labels. This helps you filter out all of your mail so that it's not jumbled up in one massive inbox. Let's say you have an existing email account you'd like to import. Simply click the cogwheel, scroll down to Settings, and let's go to Accounts and Import. You want to configure Check Mail using POP3, so click here, enter the email address that you wish to import, click Next. Sometimes you may be able to just enter the name of the email before the @ sign, but in my case I need to enter the entire name. Go ahead and enter your password. And this POP server address is not correct. You'll need to check with your individual email client to find the correct server address. I want to leave a copy on the original server. For my application, I'm going to need to leave SSL unchecked, and I want to label incoming messages as coming from Tweak My Device. You can change the name of the label or create a new one. And let's add the account. Great. I'm going to save the password. And yes, I do want to be able to send mail as info@tweakmydevice.com. So let's proceed with the next step. Here you can adjust the name. You can specify a different reply to address if you wish. But I'm going to proceed to the next step. I'm just going to send it through Gmail servers. It's a little quicker that way. And it'll send a verification to your inbox to make sure that you want to have it imported. Once you get the code, simply paste it in place and verify. Now, it is linked. In my particular email setup, these are similar. I'm showing you how to use Tweak My Device at Gmail, and I just imported info@tweakmydevice.com to come into this Gmail. You can import other email accounts if you wish and manage all of them through your single Gmail account address. Now let's move on to contacts. Here is your contacts page. The first thing you'll want to do, of course, is add contacts. Click the Add button and then enter a name. Select Add. You've entered just that person's name. So click on the contact. From here, you can enter his email address, a phone number, his address, and so forth. Select the Add button to enter even more information about this person. create any notes you wish to make for this person here, and your changes are automatically saved as you enter them. Return to your contacts, and there's John Smith's information. That's a slow way to enter your contacts. There's a more efficient way. Click More and Import. Here you can import a CSV file from your Outlook or other email accounts and import a vCard file from your Apple address book. In addition to that, many mobile phone platforms support creating a contacts file within the device. Android, Windows Phone, Windows Mobile, and BlackBerry support this. Once you've created the file and it's on your storage card, transfer it to your PC. If you need help with this, see our video on USB file transfer. Select Choose the File. For my Android, it creates a VCF file, as you see here. I'm going to highlight that and choose Open. Now let's import these contacts. Great. Now I've imported 655 contacts in a matter of seconds. You want to make sure you get all of your contacts correct here in Gmail, because your multiple devices, be it your smartphones, your tablet, your internet TV, anything that has the ability to sign into a Gmail account will retrieve your contacts that you're putting in here. So take the time to set up this list. You can scroll through your contacts and make changes. Any device that you sync with this Gmail account has the ability to pull in these contacts. Your contacts are stored in this cloud location on your Google account, and you will have a backup in case of an emergency. From your email inbox, scroll up here to your top left bar, and you have several navigation links. Let's look at the calendar. Now this is your Google Calendar associated with your account. You can choose day, week, or month view. To add a new appointment, simply click within the box. And you can create the event that easily. It automatically syncs to all of your devices that are signed in with this account. You can edit the event, such as times. It defaults to 1 hour. You can make it all day if you wish. Enter a location. Add guests. Enter their email address. Choose what actions the guest can take with this email. Add a description of the event. You can assign a particular color to it to make it stand out. Edit your reminders, and choose to show you as available or busy. You can return, save, discard these changes, or delete it. You can create different calendars for different things in your life. For example, a work schedule calendar, a bill reminder calendar, a birthday calendar, etc. To quickly create an event, click Create. It added this event incorrectly over the time span of 2 days instead of adding it in 2 days, which would be the 15th. So I'm just going to click Delete. If you select More, you have the ability to print your calendar, and you can change the way your calendar appearance looks. Now your important events and schedules will be synced over all of your devices. From your email inbox, let's select Tasks, and a small task area will pop up here. You have the ability to add a new task. Click the arrow to edit the details. You can select a due date for this task. Add some notes, and arrange it in a certain list. You can choose more actions down here, including formatting options. Delete this task, or again move it to a new list. Let's just go back to list. GTasks is a great tool to use on your Android device to sync your Gmail tasks. Once you navigate to the market and install GTasks, just go ahead and open it. It will prompt you to select the Gmail account you want to use in order to sync your tasks, and you can see we have our new task there that we created on the desktop. You can tap this button to go to your different lists and edit your lists. There are different menu options, including share. You can select tasks to share through different networks. And it's very easy to add a new task. So that's a basic rundown of GTasks. It's a great way to keep up with quick little notes and to do things between all your different devices. It's simple to add a Google account to sync with your device. Go into your settings menu and find Accounts and Sync. You can see I have 2 Google accounts already. You can add another one. You can add an existing account or create a new one. Simply enter your information, and once it's entered, you can choose what all you would like to sync. The iPhone, go to your settings menu and go down to Mail, Contacts, and Calendar, add an account, and select to add your Gmail account that way. Now all of your contacts, calendar, tasks, and many other things associated with Google will sync to all of your devices. Enjoy using the cloud, and subscribe to Tweak My Device on YouTube.